This is just a quick video, or well, the start of a video possibly, to see if there's much interest. I've just bought this Specialized Allez Comp 2011 frame, and I just thought I'd give some insight into the things I'm going to do it up or possibly sell it. The first thing I did was sort of assess everything and look for, I don't know if you can see those stickers underneath there. That's where the year of the frame is, 09 2011. On these they normally have the frame size there, so that's another thing I got to work out. Mentions there Specialized EN 14781, just the British standards I suppose, or standards of some sort. There's the frame numbers there, and that's about all the information I've got. One thing I started to do was to measure the headstock, because there's one site that gives you all the frames and it will tell you the frame size from that. But I'm going to strip it anyway. I'm going to clean it. The first thing, I mean, you can see the so if you look at those teeth, you can see they're nice U there, and on these you can see it's starting the shark, so the outer ring is worn there. So that's one thing that needs doing. The jockey wheels, not too bad. They are actually from new, that they actually look like that, so they don't seem to be aware, and just need cleaning up. The gear change is okay. Bearings spins around alright. So I'm probably going to just take it apart to clean it. So you get in there. And then the other parts, brake blocks, new brake blocks, cables, because the brakes are stiff to pull. Bar tape as well. I mean, bar tape's not very good, not sure about that. And head racer bearings, they seem okay. So same again. I'm going to strip everything down, clean the frame, and then assess it from there. See if I'm going to sell it for parts or to rebuild it, and see if someone wants to buy it. So I hope that helped in the sense of, when you get a bike, you know, assessing it, check over like the bearings, bottom bracket, look at the cassettes, rings, and also, you know, things like take the seat post off. That will help in case it's seized. But if this video helped you, let me know. If you got any comments and you'd like to see further videos, let me know as well. Thanks.